we need to glorify our writers more, give them better paychecks, so that they can spend time writing good stories.
I think where the industry can improve towards women is having washrooms for women. That's something that I notice on all the sets, except for actors, female actors, and unless it's the line producer or the creative or the producer is a female, a lot of stylists, a lot of hairdressers, a lot of assistant camera persons, assistant directors, they don't have proper washrooms. And that's something that the industry really needs to look into. A lot of locations they don't
That's
have.
a very good point.
Wow.
Yeah, a lot of times, like, I allow, you actually go out of your way and you say that please use the vanity. You leave the keys with them and you're like, please, because you're shooting in a place where there are not hotels or things around, and that's not taken care of. And I think that's really basic. That's really basic for women.
And content is, if it's king, then let it be queen too.
Yes.
For female characters, I'm saying, yeah, we are improving, but yeah, if it's
I
king, let it be queen too. Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. I mean, I also want to see not just like candy floss women in films, but real women in films. I don't know why we tend to do that on OTT platforms and just refrain from doing that. Making good content with real people, with real characters. Yeah. And let it be commercial.
Are you able to keep your own personal ideologies aside and work with people when it comes to a film? Or is that equally important for you?
You do have to keep working. And, some of us, at least, I have issues where I need to pay bills and I need to take care of my family.
Yeah, I agree.
will.
Yes,
I
correct.
completely do not believe that, you can just be on this moral high ground and say, oh, I will only do art in a certain way. We all do have to keep going and keep working. At the same time, we are deeply complex creatures because we constantly have to embody these characters, and so you do end up bringing your personal thoughts and ideas into the characters.
As human beings, you try and want to make sense of what's going on in this scene, and I don't think I can separate that. If I don't find logic in something, I tend to voice it out, whether somebody sitting in front of me likes it or not. I can't stay mum.
Personally speaking, what I do, I can't write blogs about it. I can't go on Twitter and tweet about things. My activism is through my art. So if I'm doing, say, A Serious Man, and if I'm playing a Dalit woman who's divorced and who doesn't want to be labeled, who doesn't want to be seen as, given bias because she's a Dalit woman and she voices it in the film, that is somewhere an extension of who I am and what I think.
All of us, क्या हुआ नहीं है उसके बारे में I started dreaming and I was like, ha! And all of us could be action heroines and we were like, hey! And then, all of us, I love you. I saw so cute. We saw all of us, I saw all of us like, coming soon. That is something I want to do, Rudrani.
Superhero movies with a cast of 5 women of all different ages. Yeah. That would be a good start.
I also want to see, it's very relatable to me right now. I also want to see a film or any kind of content being made about a working mother.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
A working mother feeling the guilt of leaving their child, but also following their passion, working towards their ambition, and yes, accepting the fact that, yes, it's okay, I'm a mother, but I'm ambitious. I'd love to see that. I'd love a far more open dialogue on that.
Inspired by Surveen and Kalki, I'd like to watch a film where a girl within her 30s is divorced and wants to fall in love again. I'd love to watch that.
Yeah.
It's okay, man.
With growing years, you feel like, women don't have stories when they're 40s? They don't have a story to their life? Yeah. At 50, a woman doesn't have a story to their life? Yeah. Why? Why stay clear of that?
It feels nice that you are as integral a part as your male counterpart, or not, but you're an integral part of that series or that show or that film, and your opinion matters.
What do you think, Surveen? It was just music to my ears. What do you think about this? And before every important scene, we would just kind of huddle together and say, okay, let's sit down and read, and you want to make this your own, you were given that liberty, you want to change, like Shweta said, keeping obviously keeping the structure and the fabric and the purpose of what you're saying in place, intact. it's just amazing to find filmmakers, to find men who are doing this and bringing about this change.